Hey, Dallas Tung here, and we are in Southern Highlands. So we're about to preview this $2.8 million home. It's 5 beds, 5.5 baths, a little bit over 5,000 square foot. Beautiful home. There's also a casita in there, and we are right off the golf course. Let's take a look. All right, so before we go in, we are at a broker's open. So this video is gonna be a little bit different than my other videos. We're just gonna walk through and kind of tour this home. And you're gonna see a whole bunch of people as well. Please don't mind that. And yeah, let's take a look at the house. Entering the front entrance, you got beautiful herringbone entryway, your flooring, and then you have a nice fireplace over here, sitting area, beautiful spiral stairs, nice chandelier, lots of lighting. And then we're gonna head towards the dining area and the kitchen. Now we're in the formal dining area. We're gonna walk through here into the Butler's Pantry. And then garage, of course, is over there. And then we're gonna head over into the kitchen. Now we're in the kitchen, beautiful marble countertop, nice backsplash, of course stainless steel appliances. It's a beautiful kitchen. Now we are in the living room family area right next to the kitchen. So now we are outside, beautiful spa here, Pebble Tech, you got water features. Now, you know, nice large grass area. Out there, we have the Southern Highlands Country Club, and very private, we are elevated. So even people on the golf course, they're not gonna be able to look in here, so really nice. Let's go over to the courtyard. So we're gonna head over into the courtyard area. This is one of my favorite places, but over there we have outdoor kitchen with a wolf grill, nice overhead patio cover with some seating, and here, courtyard. So now we're in the courtyard. You have tile flooring, beautiful palm trees up here, you know, of course fireplace. Then you have a casita behind you, which we'll go up to next, and it's connected. You can walk over to the main house, balcony up there as well, more French doors. It's one of my favorite parts of this house. Follow me upstairs. We're gonna head up. Southern Highlands, if you don't know about Southern Highlands, it's a great community. I love it, it's very convenient. You're right off of the I-15, 10-15 minutes to the Strip and the airport. So casita behind me, full room, full bathroom. So now we're out to this loft area. Primary bedroom is right behind you. So it's nice to come out here and have coffee. Fireplace if it's cold. And then check out this view. Okay, heading over this way, you have another hallway to go back to the primary bedroom over there. This way is my favorite spot, the courtyard. You know, check it out. Lots of doors, a lot of entryways. We're coming through here, spiral stairs over here, chandelier over there. Now let's go into the primary bedroom. And of course you have these beautiful wood tile floorings, and then your primary bedroom. So from primary bedroom, we're gonna come through the closet. You got, you know, some custom cabinets. Then there's another entranceway to the bathroom. Marble flooring, all the way from flooring up to the shower, double vanity, floating vanity, beautiful. All right, so this is the end of the tour. If you like what you see, or if you're interested, reach out to me, Dallas Tung at kwvegas.com, 702-686-1668. And of course, like and subscribe for more video and real estate news. And yeah, let's just go enjoy the Brokers Open with everybody.